Right, I've never done something like this before, but this is Jarno Otten's maximum. First ever visit in Ireland, and I'm nervous. Oh goodness. Oh, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is not right. Right, so we're at the top at the moment, and yeah, I'm a bit nervous. Actually quite nervous. I've heard that there's a bit of head banging on this, but yeah. Oh, I think we're getting moving now. Oh no. Oh no. This isn't too bad. Oh goodness. Whoa. This ain't too bad. This is actually just a little bit of fun. It's just a little gentle swing. What the? No, 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 no. Whoa. 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 Oh, we're going faster. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness! Oh! 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 Oh my goodness! Oh! 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 Oh my goodness! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh my goodness. Is that it? No, it's not it. We're going again. What the hell? Oh, whoa. Oh! 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 Whoa! Oh! 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 Oh, wow. That was unreal.